Are you looking for a way to manifest your desires? Do you want to make the most of your life and find a way to align with the flow of life? If so, then harnessing the power of gratitude is the key to your success. In this video, we will explore the benefits of emotional conditioning and how it can help you manifest your desires. We will discuss the importance of gratitude and how it is related to the law of attraction, positive thinking, and visualization. We will also discuss how to achieve self-regulation through coherence and take charge of your health by making decisions with intensity and intention. By the end of this video, you will be ready to use the power of gratitude to manifest your desires. But before we dive into the video, may I request you to please hit the subscribe button to stay apprised about our new videos. Gratitude for greater manifestation, aligning with the flow of life. Are you feeling down in the dumps? Maybe you're struggling to find the motivation to get anything done. Maybe your days feel like a never-ending slog. If so, it might be time to give gratitude a try. In his talk, Gratitude is the Ultimate Frequency of Manifestation, Dr. Joe Dispenza discusses how gratitude has the power to help us manifest the life we desire. When we focus on what we are grateful for, our vibration shifts and aligns with what we want to manifest in our lives. This can create coherence between heart and brain, helping us reach a state of flow which allows things in life to fall into place more easily. When we are in a state of gratitude, we are more likely to be mindful and aware of our feelings, energized and open to opportunities. We can break free from patterns of thinking and doing that don't serve us and consequently feel lighter, more abundant and happier. Additionally, this heightened state of consciousness allows us to connect more deeply to our intuition, leading us to more creative solutions and greater manifestation. By staying open to the possibilities, we give ourselves the opportunity to seek out and take advantage of those moments of synchronicity life can offer us. In the end, practicing gratitude helps us to align with our highest potential and create the life we desire. With this practice, we are able to recognize the blessings and experiences already present in our lives and appreciate that life is constantly unfolding in our favor. We can focus on the process of unfolding and remain at ease as we manifest what we want to create. Practicing gratitude before it happens and retracing from emotions of the past helps install neurological hardware that will lead to new thinking patterns that allow positive manifestations into our lives. Connecting with emotions of your future helps teach your body an understanding through feeling what that looks like, thereby creating automatic responses accordingly. That cause desired results based on those feelings, rather than limited survival ones from past experiences or environments repeating themselves over again. It's essential to be aware of this false thought disconnection causing initial negative emotion. Otherwise, one keeps recreating their own same circumstance, no matter how hard one tries without awareness, thus proving very detrimental overall long-term, as it creates these repeated loops preventing progress if unchallenged. Manifesting fulfillment through mindset and emotion. Many of us are conditioned to seek change out of our lives in order to improve our internal states. This is often done by trying to fix things outside of ourselves, which does not always lead to fulfillment. To find true fulfillment, we must be able to front-load the feeling of our desired outcome by creating an emotional connection with a specific image or vision in our mind. Once we have a strong emotional connection with our vision, we can then sustain that mindset and emotion throughout the day, no matter what outside factors may influence us. This connection enables us to see situations from all perspectives, allowing us to make clear and decisive decisions for manifesting our heartfelt desires. Rather than simply focusing on the external outcome, we can focus on the internal feelings of joy, clarity, peace,
and abundance that come when we reach our goals. Through continued practice and effort in emotionally connecting with our vision,
we will start seeing changes in our life as a result of vibrational matches between energy, frequency, and thoughts projected from the quantum field. By viewing life through a greater level of consciousness, one empowered by feelings of wholeness, we become less easily seduced by conditions in the outer world while being able to uncover greater meaning behind everything around us. This is how you manifest your desired future state, through creating a powerful emotional connection with what you desire, achieving self-regulation through coherence.
Self-regulation is one of the greatest challenges in life. It's one thing to try to do something and quite another to actually achieve success.
However, with practice and dedication, self-regulation can be developed. An important ingredient in self-regulation is developing a state of coherence where our intentions and emotions are in alignment with each other. This requires a lot of self-awareness so that we can recognize and change any thoughts,
beliefs, and habits that are preventing us from creating a state of coherence. To create a new personal reality, one must overcome their present personality by challenging thinking patterns and habits. This can take effort, but it's often more rewarding than days, where we slip easily into our groove. When experiencing an emotional challenge, try pausing to reflect on what could have been done differently before reacting emotionally or falling into victimhood mentality. Recognize that you may feel lonely when practicing this work,
as it requires going beyond what other people may be doing around you to find true presence in the moment again and reconnecting with your future energy source,
instead of the past's influence on your emotions and decisions-making processes. However, keep looking for those special moments when skilled practice allows you to move through your life with coherence and rhythm,
without resorting to knee-jerk reactions from people who only seek affirmation from others rather than themselves. Take charge of your health. Make decisions with intensity and intention.
It can be hard to make decisions without the help of others. After all, nobody understands you better than you do. However, this doesn't mean that you have to let others control your life. You can take charge of your health by making decisions with intensity and intention. Hundreds of people who have healed themselves from different health conditions share one important element.
They make a firm decision with such intensity that their body responds in that instant due to its energy levels being higher than past experiences or conditioning. Once you develop the discipline of making decisions with intensity and intention, don't be afraid to take action.
To achieve this, executing decisions with strong emotion and intention results in coming out of a resting state, allowing for greater focus on choice-making. So whether you're looking to improve your overall health or just need some guidance on how to make better decisions, subscribe to our channel now and start taking control of your life. So friends, we have discussed the power of gratitude and how it can help us manifest our desires. We also explored how to achieve self-regulation through coherence and make decisions with intensity and intention. Finally, we discussed the importance of creating an emotional connection with our desired outcomes in order to achieve fulfillment. It is clear that cultivating gratitude and focusing on positive emotions can lead to greater manifestation opportunities in life. Therefore, take advantage of this powerful tool by beginning to practice gratitude today. Make sure to subscribe for more videos about taking charge of your life.